We're at a garden here in the Monterey Peninsula with a local television icon. And like every other garden, there's a story behind it and some things to improve. Gary, do you use your backyard a lot?
I do. I love it. You know, some days here, John, are beautiful and other days are overcast because we're so close to the ocean. And, you know, my wife loves the lemon tree, the bougainvillea.
Your gardener is proud of it. Well, and he did a neat thing. He trained it up against the fence.
He did.
Spending $1 in material, which is difficult to do.
Ken Morris is a great gardener. I was very lucky to find Ken to take care of our yard. Welcome, John, to my backyard. Maybe that would be the name of a good show. Welcome to my backyard. John was my guest last night on my television show that we do every Sunday night. It's on channel 27.10 locally here in Monterey, but we stream it live on the internet at kmbytv.com, so go catch it.
I was on your show, but Chip was also, and you were telling me that all the calls you got this morning were about Chip, not about me. I'm a big believer in landscapes kind of being an extension of your house and improving your life.
Well, it does. Each day that I come out here and I can sit on the couch and I can bring my phone out and I can talk, and it's just...
so you come out here and conduct
This is my office.
It's
my office, outside office.
That's perfect. Yeah. Allows you to think clearly.
It does. It does. It's quiet too sometimes.
Yeah. Not today, but sometimes. So we're here in front of your wife's favorite lemon tree.
Yes.
It looks like it's coming back from some type of setback.
It had a setback, and we don't know what it was, but it's beginning to come back to life.
Ken was telling me a real problem in your garden and all gardens around here is very sandy soil.
Yeah.
And
well, we're close to the beach.
Yeah.
This used to be, you know, part of the beach here.
So there's nothing better for sandy soil than to infuse it with life. So beneficial microbiology of all kinds. You've got another citrus over there. Is that a lemon also in the pot?
I think it is in the pot, yeah.
Yeah, and so it looks particularly chlorotic, probably root bound. You have a lot of pots.
We do.
In pots, everything leaches out. Well, we're gonna put it back in there.
We're gonna put it back in.
Yeah.
And that's what I need.
Yeah.
Put it back. John, you know, we've got a lot of succulents here, and my wife loves succulents. Is there anything we can do to kind of give them a little boost?
And you've got succulents in containers. Succulents are kind of a whole different world in that they don't like synthetic fertilizer, and they don't like dramatic boosts. They like very subtle boosts. So we're going to use products that focus on the soil rather than products that try to feed those succulents directly. And that's the best way to treat succulents.
I love it. I love it. I can't wait. By the way, John, this is JoJo, and I think she wants to go down now and go play with Chip.
I understand she's 7 years old.
7 years old.
Chip is 7 years old. And
well, then we could get them together.
Many of you may know he's my vice president in charge of sandy soil.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, John, this particular plant is struggling, although it's coming back a bit, but at the same time we had a problem with the lemon tree, we also had a problem with this plant.
This is a clematis, which is a beautiful plant with a spectacular flower.
Isn't that a pretty flower?
People love clematis. In Fresno, they're hard to grow because it's just too hot.
It's too hot.
Yours is doing well and showing that it's coming back strong.
It's coming back to life.
So, you know, problems with plants, although they can be mysterious, there's not that many different things that could be wrong. It's usually water, soil, and, you know, lack of nutrients, and maybe some dramatic weather condition that, you know, maybe not here, but you might have a bad frost or something like that. What I like to do is try to make everything that you can control as good as possible. So water it properly.
Okay.
And, you know, play it music every now and then.
I do that.
Phormium, or New Zealand flax, and in Fresno, they kind of all have leaves like this. Since you have a milder climate, this looks reasonably good, but still it can look kind of ratty. And it's in a pot. The plant around it isn't doing too well, probably needs to be cut back.
So we're gonna infuse.
So we're gonna infuse. And that's what this plant will really benefit from. Stick around and you can watch me apply and see how simple it is.
And I want to do that too.
I'm going to show Gary how easy it is to use this.
And this is what now?
This is blend. So
Blend.
this is 3 of our products mixed together.
Okay.
And we use this on every job we do.
Okay.
And so we're making it easy for people to use it.
And we're giving these people a plug?
That's fine. The slogan on the back's pretty good.
Oh, the slogan on it, let's do this. And where's this going to go?
We're going to start with this lemon tree in the pot that's in need. You're smart to wear gloves because it is kind of dirty.
Now, is that enough?
I'd use a little more. You know, on this product, you can err on the side of generosity because it can't
Really?
burn anything.
Okay,
yeah.
can't hurt
and
anything.
we look how bad it looks and say, hey, let's give it a little more.
Okay. Do we water it after we put this on?
You water it if you want it to go to work immediately, but you don't have to water it. You could just leave it until it needs water. if
Okay,
you want.
okay.
It'll help the succulents, but we're not doing it in a harsh way that'll harm the succulents. You know, what you're really trying to do is cover the root zone, and the root zone probably includes the whole width of the foliage.
Start here?
Yeah, yeah. There's roots everywhere in there. And if you get it around the succulents, it's fine. It's not going to hurt them, but we're focusing on the clematis.
I'm a pro. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
Excellent for your lemon tree there. Put it around the root zone. All of this would really be powerful to put the blend product and then put some kind of mulch over the top.
Okay, John, I'm all out. I need another one.
If you want to use our products for color, you'd use the Nourish Biosol. That has macronutrients in it. It's the best thing for a reasonably healthy lawn. If the lawn was sick, had fungal disease, then we'd want to use blend and penetrate liquid biotiller. And this you put on, I'd say 6 to 10 pounds per thousand. What do we have here? Like 200 square feet at the most? So you need very little. Beautiful, full of life. It's kind of part of the process. It really kickstarts building microbiological life in the soil. So it has food for all kinds of microbes. It has beneficial bacteria. Since it's liquid, it kind of activates those dry products that I just put on there. Whoa, there's a hole in that pot. So I'm going to pick certain ones that I want to see if we can boost a little. Eddie, the lazy landscaper, usually supplies the humor,
He does,
but
yeah.
Eddie's not here.
That's
and
right.
so I want to tell you.
The Dean Martin.
Yeah, and if it's no good, we can blame it on Dean Martin.
That's right. Go ahead.
A grasshopper goes into a bar,
Okay.
and he jumps on the bar, and he says to the bartender, "Give me a scotch and soda."
Okay.
The bartender looks at him and he says, "Hey, we've got a drink named after you." And the grasshopper says, "You have a drink named Irving?"
I like that.
Pretty good, huh?
I like it.